Hello friends, welcome to R2P Soft IT classes. Today we are going to discuss SQL ACID property. This is very important concept of SQL and it's also important for SQL interview. Friends, let's start. What is ACID property in a database? You know well, ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. It is used to ensure that the data transactions are processed reliably in a database system. Atomicity Atomicity refers to the transactions that are completely done or failed, where transaction refers to a single logic operation of a data. It means if one part of any transaction fails, the entire transaction fails and the database state is left unchanged. Consistency ensures that the data must meet all the validation rules. In simple words, you can say that your transaction never leaves the database without completing its state. Isolation. The main goal of isolation is concurrency control. Durability. Durability means that if a transaction has been committed, it will occur whatever may come in between, such as power loss, crash, or any sort of error. Same question I am going to repeat. What is ACID property in a database? ACID property is used to ensure that the data transactions are processed reliably in a database system. A single logical operation of a data is called transaction. ACID is an acronym for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Atomicity, it refers that each transaction is all or nothing. It means if one part of the transaction fails, the entire transaction fails and the database state is left unchanged. Consistency. The consistency property ensures that the data must meet all validation rules. In simple words, you can say that your transaction never leaves your database without completing its state. Isolation. This property ensures that the concurrent property of execution should not be met. The main goal of providing isolation is concurrency control. Durability. Durability simply means that once a transaction has been committed, it will remain so. Come what may, even power loss, crashes, or errors. What are transactions and their controls? A transaction can be defined as the sequence task that is performed on database in a logical manner to gain certain results. Operations like creating, updating, deleting records performed in database come from transactions. In simple words, we can say that a transaction means a group of SQL queries executed on database records. There are four transaction controls such as commit. It is used to save all changes made through the transaction. Rollback. It is used to roll back the transaction. All changes made by the transaction are reverted back and the database remains as before. Set transaction. Set the name of transaction. Save point. It is used to set the point where the transaction is to be rolled back. What are the properties of transaction? Properties of transaction are known as ACID properties. These are atomicity, ensures the completeness of all transactions performed, checks whether every transaction is completed successfully or not. If not, then the transaction is aborted at the failure point and the previous transaction is rolled back to its initial state as changes are undone. Consistency ensures that all changes made through successful transactions are reflected properly on the database. Isolation ensures that all transactions are performed independently and changes made by one transaction are not reflected on others. Durability ensures that the changes made in the database with committed transactions persist as it even after a system failure. What are the properties of transactions? Generally, these properties are referred to as ACID property. They are atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. What is transaction? A transaction is sequence of code that runs against a database. It takes the database from one consistent state to another. Same question, what are ACID properties in transaction? In order to maintain consistency in a database before and after transactions, certain properties are followed. They are atomicity. This means the transaction must happen fully and can't be left midway. Consistency, to maintain integrity constants, hence valid data enters the database. Isolation controls concurrency, durability. Once a transaction is committed, it remains committed. Same questions. List and explain each of the ACID properties that collectively guarantee that database transactions are processed reliably. Atomicity. First, acid. Acid includes atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Is a set of properties that guarantee that database transactions are processed reliably. They are defined as follows. Atomicity requires that each transaction be all or nothing. If one part of the transaction fails, the entire transaction fails and the database state is left unchanged. And atomic system must guarantee atomicity in each and every situation, including power failures, errors, and crashes. Consistency. The consistency property ensures that any transaction will bring the database from one valid state to another. Any data written to the database must be valid according to all defined rules, including constants, cascades, triggers, and any combination thereof. Isolation. The isolation property ensures that the concurrent execution of transactions results in a system state that would be obtained if transactions were executed serially, that is, one after the other. Providing isolation is the main goal of concurrency control. Depending on concurrency control method, that is, if it uses strict as opposed to relaxed serializability, the effect of an incomplete transaction might not even be visible to another transaction. Durability. Durability means that once a transaction has been committed, it will remain so, even in the event of power loss, crashes, or errors. In a relational database, for instance, once a group of SQL statements execute, the results need to be stored permanently, even if the database crashes immediately thereafter. To defend against power loss, transactions or their effect must be recorded in a non-volatile memory. That's it, friend. Please give your comment. Is it uh, give your comment, share the video, like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.